Unpacking slang. What does "I'm zonked" really mean? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into the world of English slang and unpacking the meaning behind the phrase, "I'm zonked." This phrase is a casual and colorful way to express a feeling we've all experienced at one time or another. Stay tuned to learn about where it comes from, how to use it, and what it tells us about English-speaking culture. Let's get started. When someone says, "I'm zonked," they're telling you that they're extremely tired or exhausted. It's a way to say that they have no energy left to do anything else. Think of a battery that has been used up. When you're zonked, you're just like that battery, completely drained. The word zonked has its roots in American English. It gained popularity in the 1960s and 1970s, especially within certain youth cultures. Originally, it had a connection to the experience of being under the influence of drugs. However, over time, its usage expanded to describe a state of exhaustion, without any reference to drug use. It reflects the creative and constantly evolving nature of slang. "I'm zonked" is best used in informal situations. It's perfect for chatting with friends or in other casual settings. You wouldn't want to use it in a formal context, like a job interview or an email to your boss. Here's how you might use it. After a long day of work. "I can't go out tonight, I'm totally zonked." When refusing an invitation, "Thanks, but I have to pass. I'm zonked from studying all day." Although we're avoiding phonetic transcriptions, let's quickly talk about pronunciation. To say zonked, you start with a Z sound, followed by onk, which rhymes with conked, and end with ed. Try to imitate the pronunciation in the video until you feel confident. Now that you know what "I'm zonked" means, let's practice using it. I'll give you a few scenarios, and you can pause the video and come up with your own sentences. Later, I'll share how I would use "I'm zonked" in those situations. Ready? Here we go. Imagine you've just finished a marathon. You've been studying for exams all week and haven't had much sleep. You've returned from a 3-day camping trip. Practice scenarios and suggested answers. And that's a wrap on today's English slang lesson. I hope you're not too zonked to have enjoyed our video. Remember, learning a language is about understanding the words and the culture behind them. Use "I'm zonked" to express tiredness in a fun and informal way. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time, and keep practicing.